All right, good morning. I don't have a mouse in my pocket. I'm on my way. It's been quite a push to get going. Yesterday was blowing to 70 miles an hour, overcast. I got a late start and a whole bunch of other stuff, and it was just easy to put it off. But today is the last day I will have for at least a week or more. So I've got to use today. I'm hopeful that some other people who enjoy flat watering will get out there and get at least a little bit of a presence going out in this area. You know, so if I open up a new trail for you, a new water trail, that's great. And yeah, who knows, this could be a total bust. Let's see how it goes. Here's something to think about. This over here on the right is a sod farm. There's a bunch behind me. This is what is helping to take the water out of the rivers so we don't have lawns at shopping centers and in the medians where nobody uses them. It's a joke. It's such a joke. We're here. Engage with your core. That canoe is so light. All right, Platte River, Highway 60 bridge. Oh. All right, off. It is dead calm right now. Tell you what, a canoe is a different animal. That is for sure. I'm used to IKs, rafts, pack rafts, SUPs, kayaks. This is different. It's not bad. The river down here doesn't smell bad. It smells like a river. Goose blinds. 3 of them. So where I put in there, take the flow at the nearest stream gauge was 400 yesterday. Down by Greeley, it's about 800. But the stream gauge at the put in is up, well up the river of the confluence with the St. Vrain River. So I'd say we're probably around 600 CFS right here. There's plenty of water in here to paddle. This gringo's got to got to use a lot of sunscreen. So,
So far so good. If you're looking for a wintertime mellow beginner paddle, this is it. This is perfect so far. You know, if you were in a craft that you were comfortable with, this would be a piece of cake, and some not bad scenery for being just a stone's throw from Denver. So yeah, a lot of big trees, a lot of wildlife down here, a lot of sign of wildlife actually. Looks like we got a railroad bridge here. Coming up on a diversion dam here. If anywhere, this is where someone's going to get busted for trespassing. But I'm going to have to get out and check it out. Not a lot of warning, so if you're coming down this, you want to look for those gates, river right, start making your way river left, right after the railroad bridge. Alright, it looks runnable. We're gonna go for it. Good chunk of water. You definitely got to choose your way in some of these areas. It's a little braided. I chose the left because I was looking at something, river left, and the main channel went right. But I managed to squeak through with minimal trespass. Oh, there it is again. Trespass. Trespass. Stupid effing laws in Colorado. There are some turkeys straight off my bow. And here I'm clucking, there's more in the woods. Cool. Yeah, this is a totally chill and good float. It's a great way to get your mind right in the middle of winter or early spring. It's a lot of sweepers, a lot of wood piles, a lot of snags in the middle of the river. So there's nothing to practice down this way. It feels like you're far away, but we are not. Wow, we are coming up on a, what do we got here? We got a hunting blind, another hunting blind, and there is a massive tree fort back in the trees. That is a shitty looking blind. Look at that monstrosity. Could have all kinds of secret clubs in there. Right there. It's got like a crow's nest at the top. Man, I wish I had that when I was a kid. You gotta love it when the riprap is made out of old cars sunk into the bank. Look at all that. What is that? 76 DeSoto? There's a lot of bald eagles on this stretch. There's a big bald eagle's nest up there. The bald eagle sitting right in it. I am both at the same time glad they did this. Glad they don't let them do it anymore. That is some dystopian looking shit. I can hear roaring water in the distance. And I can see some concrete abutments. So we got something coming. Let's go see what it is. You'll see these industrial doohickeys, whatever they are, alien fracking technology, I don't know. But there's a whole bunch of slack water here, you can't miss it. All right, yeah. We don't want to run this. There goes the Platte River. Down that canal. Boy, I spy an abandoned blue piece of machinery over there that I really want to go check out. Again, you know, I suppose this is technically trespassing. Well, what is that out there, all that stuff? If anybody knows, leave a comment. If anybody's even watching this far. But here's something cool. Ruins of modern man. Man, I would have been climbing all over that when I was a kid. Just because it's water pipe doesn't mean it belongs in the water. When you see these big power lines over there, you'll know you're at the Riverside Park in Evans if you're taking out here, which is a good takeout. I am going to press on a little bit further downriver. Well, this tree's been here a long time.